Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! Okay, so for my first ever video sa aking channel, finally, isi-share ko na yung renovation or makeover na ginawa ko sa aking condo. It took 5 weeks, I think, to finish the renovation kasi medyo nagka-problema sa contractor. So, I hope you'll watch until the end para makita niyo yung transformation. So, enjoy guys! Okay, I'll just share a short story. Ito yung unit when it was turned over sa akin noong 2019. Bare lang siya. Ito yung bedroom. And as you can see, ito lang yung kitchen ko. Small sink lang yung provided ng developer. And then, ito yung bathroom or CR. Bowl lang and yung sink doon sa right. So, pinapaint ko siya. I wanted to achieve gray pero dark blue yung kinalabasan. So, ito yung living room. Sobrang dark ng color. And then, the bedroom, merong ng color yung sa left side ng wall. And then, yellow pa rin yung ibang parts. And then, pina-repaint ko siya guys because sobrang dark nga niya. Still, I want to achieve gray pero ang kinalabasan na naman is shade of blue. Pero since okay naman siya, malamig naman siya sa mata, ni-retain ko na lang kasi ayoko nang magpa-repaint. Medyo kakapal na yung painting and medyo magastos. So, hinayaan ko na lang siyang ganyan. Okay, so, ayan, nag-start na akong bumili ng gamit. Meron na akong sofa and other stuff, TV rack, electric fan, and then I have my bed, and then other stuff from my old apartment from Pasay. Okay, meron ako yung ref, meron akong dining table, yes, 4-seater yan, ready for a family. Okay, another perspective of my living room. So, nilipat ko ko sa left side yung sofa. And then, ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, meron lang akong small table dun sa kitchen na ginagamit ko pa lutuan. And then, ito naman guys, yung render, interior design na pinagawa ko sa contractor ko. I just told him gusto ko yung Scandinavian na theme. So, that's why ang makikita nyo lang na color is white and wood. So, Scandinavian na parang Japandi. So, Scandi and Japan. So, Japandi. Ayan. This is the bathroom. So, syempre, in-achieve natin maraming storage para marami tayong paglagyan ng mga gamit. And then, okay, start na ng day 1. So, day 1 is repainting lang ng wall to white kasi ayaw na natin ng color blue because we wanted to achieve yung Japandi nga na wood and white lang. Okay, so done na. Bedroom area, living room, another perspective. So, this is coming from the balcony. And then, ito yung view ng living room going to my dining area and going to my kitchen area. Sobrang gulo ng gamit. In-adjust namin lahat, nilagay sa gitna muna yung mga gamit para makapag-repaint ng mga wall. Okay. Na-repaint na rin yung bathroom. So, dati color yellow yan. Yung original na painting nung tinurn over. Okay, yan. So, ito na yung sila kuya. Installing the cabinets na. So, nag-start sila sa kitchen. Ayan. So, konti na nagkakaroon ng mga cabinet. Overhead cabinet. Just doing a documentation after installing some of the cabinets. so here in my bathroom, meron na akong shower enclosure. Nagpa-install din ako and it's included in the contract. Okay, another day. Resuming the work. I think ito, nag-install na sila ng countertop ko. And yes, na-install na yung cabinet ko sa living room. So, yan. They're working on the countertop. Installing yung cabinet. Okay. Meron ng granite. So, pinalitan na rin yung sink. May existing na sink, tinanggal yon and then pinalitan ng bago. Okay, ang gulo-gulo ng mga gamit. Sobrang kalat, sobrang maalikabok. And I'm staying in the condo while they are working. So, medyo ang hirap gumalaw and ang hirap mag-work. Okay. So, this time, meron na tayong mga subway tiles. Pinili natin yung design na pataas yung subway tiles para maiba. Kalat pa rin ang living room. This time, they are installing yung wardrobe cabinet ko. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, madumi yung mga cabinet na dineliver nila sa akin. Kasi, apparently, yung contractor, nagka-problema siya sa subcontractor na gumawa ng mga cabinet. So, ang ginawa na lang nila is, dineliver na lang nila, but they assured me na lilinisin naman nila yung cabinet at hindi ganun yung magiging final output. Okay, ito, nagpa-install ako ng aking workstation. Okay. Kuya is doing retouches sa mga edge ng cabinet. And, nirepaint niya na rin yung loob, so medyo malinis na yan. Okay. And then, kompleto na yung subway tiles natin, guys. Okay. So, installing my wardrobe cabinet, just documenting after the renovation, after the work that day. Okay, so medyo okay na, wardrobe cabinet, okay na, installed. Ito yung sa bathroom. Ayan, cabinet sa bathroom din. Ayan, so medyo malinis na siya, parang medyo tapos na. Cabinet sa bedroom. Ito yung workstation ko. Medyo maayos na din. Okay. Okay. Right. So, yan. Magulo pa yung bed natin because hindi pa tuyo yung wardrobe. Ayan. Magulo pa yung mga gamit. Okay, so after all those work, finally, nagpalinis na ako. I decided to book a home cleaning service because sobrang dumi, sobrang alikabok. Okay, so eto na guys, I'm going to share yung before and after the makeover ng each area just to see the difference and appreciate more yung makeover na ginawa natin. So, this is the living area. In-adjust ko yung curtain. Ni-retain lang natin yung ibang gamit like yung sofa. But, ang big difference dito is meron na tayong built-in entertainment console and mas malaki natin yung TV natin. Then, for the kitchen area, ayan, meron na akong overhead cabinet, countertop, and cabinet sa baba. So, sobrang makakapagluto na ako ng maayos and na-organize ko na yung mga gamit ko sa kitchen. As for the dining area, wala namang masyadong transformation dito. Binago lang natin yung orientation ng dining table, and then naglagay lang ako ng mga decor. Sa bedroom, same, in-adjust ko din yung curtain, and of course, pinalitan natin yung beddings from blue to white and brown, and then syempre may na-add na workstation dyan sa gilid. And then in the bathroom, from bare, super bare, to we have already shower enclosure and may washing machine, plus the cabinets, which I haven't captured yet here. And then bedroom entrance, okay, nag-add tayo ng work area sa aking bedroom, and so yan, meron ng work area pagpasok ng bedroom, and retain lang natin yung existing na cabinet. So ito yung view from the other side of the bedroom. Medyo maayos na siya, guys, compared to before. And then this is my wardrobe cabinet. Itong before is binili ko lang sa SM. And then ayoko na siyang i-retain kasi hindi na siya pasok sa, I mean, yes, medyo wood naman siya, pero I wanted to change yung pag-store ng mga damit to drawer instead of nakahang. Okay, so eto na yung video ng after everything. Medyo na-style ko na, may mga gamit na. So, I hope you like it, guys. So, enjoy! Keep watching! Yellowish yung color ng living room ko because sunset na to nung pinicturean ko or finilm ko. I have a beautiful view of sunset kasi nasa sunset side ako ng Shaw Boulevard. that's the end of my vlog, guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo. If you have questions, you can comment in the comment section below. And I will really appreciate if you could like and subscribe to my channel. I will keep uploading, hopefully. Sana makagawa ako ng marami pang video. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!